Just a little over 2 months ago, we were walking down this very same sidewalk. I was telling you guys a story about the mysterious Santa Muerte statue that appeared in the Sambula area of Merida, Yucatan. A whole bunch of offerings and stuff have been left. Flowers, fruits, incense, candles. Plant here has fallen over. Look at that. Wow. And it's, well, over 6 feet tall. I'm short next to it, but yeah, that is something crazy. Look at that. And people in the neighborhood, a lot of them are freaked out about it. And like I said, they don't even want to touch it. So they just leave it where it is. And they're hoping that somebody from the authorities has it removed. Now, if you want to see that video, of course, I'll put a link in the description. I don't want to go through all of it again. This is just a quick update. Yesterday, I was in the house. I was thinking about the statue. I was wondering, is it still over there? What's going on? Maybe I should go check it out tomorrow. And then last night, while scrolling on Facebook, a post came up in one of the community groups of the Sambula area, claiming that someone set the statue on fire. That's right. They set her on fire. They burned her along with all of her offerings. It was heartbreaking to hear. So I decided to come on over today and check it out, see what happened. And it looks like there are people working on it. Let me turn this off quick. I'll talk to them because maybe they don't want to be on the camera. And then I will show you guys if they are totally okay with it. So we're here. Check it out. This is the old one. Look at that. Oh man, what a disaster. They completely burnt her. She was completely burnt. But people love her so much, they have actually put another one in place already. Look at that. She's already there. She's got her offerings and everything. And they are even going to be putting a little roof as shelter for her. So that's something great. And hopefully this time it will last a lot longer. There was also a note. This is where the old one was. They moved it to the side now. It was here with a note on it. I'll show you guys the picture because it was sent to me. And the note said that there is only one God and you should not be worshiping anyone else because God is a very jealous God. Meaning it was some religious nut who did this, who set her on fire. So I'm glad to see that didn't take long. A day later, they're already fixing her up with a new one. We brought a Coke as an offering because it's a super hot day today. It's 38 degrees. So that's what I like on the hot days. A nice ice cold Coke. And that's pretty much it. The people working on it, they don't want to be on camera. Claro. So I'll let them get back to work. I'm not going to film anymore here. I just don't, like they don't want to be on camera. They're the people who actually did this. And they're making a new one and they're making the altar even better. So this is just a quick update. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the original video. I will show you all. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link up above. And you can see all about it.
Ayer en la madrugada la quemaron.
Sí, eso vi.
Ayer en la mañana veníamos varios y empezamos nosotros, cuando hicimos así hasta ahora ya había la gente, los devotos y empezamos a arreglarla. Qué mala onda, ¿verdad?
Sí, quién sabe quién lo hizo, algún religioso. Pues vi el papel, ¿no? Así.
Ah, el papel sí. Tanto de la religión, porque lo que está haciendo nosotros ya estamos en paz, estamos tranquilos, nosotros estamos trabajando, no podíamos dejar que... Y ella está contenta, ¿verdad? Está feliz.
Alright, so I'll give you guys the official scoop now while I walk back. I met the people who actually put the first statue there. And when they found out yesterday that the statue was burnt, they immediately brought another one. I believe they're from here in this neighborhood, but they want to remain anonymous, so I didn't film them because they asked me not to. And they're telling me a little story there. I'll play it for you all. And what they're pretty much saying is that as soon as the community, because there is a community who does worship Santa Muerte, and that community, as soon as they found out that the old one got burnt, they all showed up. Some of them gave donations, and that's why they're putting on a little roof and shelter and everything for it now. It's from donations that someone gave. And then they also brought flowers and stuff for the brand new one. They were hoping to save the old one, but unfortunately, as you saw, it's damaged beyond repair. And they say the tradition is what they're gonna do is they're gonna bury the old one. They're gonna give it a proper burial, funeral style. So that'll be interesting. And by tomorrow, there should be even a roof there. Maybe I'll come back and check it out. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, how I'm feeling. Because honestly, this weather out here is torture. These days, it's all the way up to 37, 38 degrees daily. You really don't want to be walking in this heat. And then I'm still in recovery mode, right? My legs pretty much back to normal, but I'm still doing strengthening training, strengthening my knees, strengthening the muscles, calf muscles. So I do a video like walking a lot, and then I pretty much got to spend a day or two resting my leg, because then I start limping and stuff again, because my leg's not strong enough yet. So that's pretty much it. It was just a short video to give you guys an update. And like I said, I was thinking about the Santa Muerte statue. I was thinking about her, wondering if she was still there. And now you know. That's such a weird thing though, huh? It's like I knew something had happened, because I was out of nowhere thinking if I should go check on her, see how she's doing, see if she's still there. And later on in the night, I found out that they set her on fire. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I got some new subscribers over there. They said they're going to subscribe and watch my original video plus this one. So thanks for watching, and share with your friends, share with your family. More amazing adventures coming up here in the beautiful Mexican state of Yucatan and the rest of Mexico. See ya.